Wow. What about this one, guys? Let's check this red one. And then this 2003 Corvette, man. This is the 50th anniversary of the Corvette. Look at this, man. It's pretty cool. Yeah, guys. Alrighty guys, Vets on the Ave, right here in downtown Melbourne, Florida. Let's go! Guys, let's look at this one first. Right here, let's check it out. Yeah guys, this is crazy, 2014. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. What do you think, man? Yeah? Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna walk around here right now and see what we can cover. Look at this white one right here. Alright, let's try to get a year on this one right here. Alright. This is, guess what year, Mom?
I don't know.
1992.
It's fun to guess.
Yeah. I love it. Yeah, check this out, guys. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's check out this white one right here. Look at this, man. Wow, guess the year. Let's go check it out. Come to guess this one. Oh, we don't know. Oh, yeah, we do. 1964, guys. Wow, this is crazy. Look at the engine. Wow, guess what year? 64. Alright guys, the one next to it, guess what year this is? Let's look at the engine first. Look at this, man. What year is it, man? 75. Oh, 71, guys. Wow. Yeah guys, so we're gonna go look around. It's pretty cool, you know. So let's see what's going on right now. She's talking. Let's see what's happening. Oh, look at this one. This is very nice. Guess the year, man. It is from 2000, man. Look at that. Wow. That's very... Alright, guys, check this out. You just got people pulling up. It's pretty cool, guys. You know, let's go see what we can cover down here now. It's pretty cool, man. You got some Moon River Cafe right there. And yeah, let's go see what we can cover next. Let's check this one. What year is this, man? Let's check. This is 2003, guys. 2003 right here. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What do you think this one is right here? Let's see. I'll tell you in a second. Now, look at this one. What year do you think this is? Right here. Let's see, guys. It is 1965. Wow. Look at that. Look at that engine. 1965, man. Alright guys, we come across the street. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Let's look at this one. What year do you think this is? I say 2023. 2019. 2019, guys. Yeah, so... Yeah, I'd be so worried about the bottom driving, you know. Yeah, guys, we're going to keep going because you see there's just Corvettes everywhere. But let's cover this one. Oh, yeah, look at this one right here, guys. Guess what year this is? Let's check. What year? It's, I think of 2018. It's in the National Corvette Museum.
2017.
Wow, 2017, guys. Yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. Look, they got Captain America right there. Yeah, very nice, guys. Pretty cool. All right, let's go see what else we can cover. Guys, look at this one that caught my eye right here. What year do you think it is? Let's check right now. This is pretty crazy. What year, Mom? Oh, wow, 1969. Wow. Yeah, it's very nice. Look at that. We don't want to interrupt the people, but yeah.
Personality in this.
Wow, yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Let's go down this block now. Alrighty, guys, let's see what we can cover for here now. Alright, guys, we're coming up on this one. What year do you think this is? Let's check. It is a 2021, Mom. Wow. What about this one, guys? Let's check this red one. This one's 2003. Yeah, this is a trouble one. You might get pulled with this one. But yeah, look at this one, the Stingray. Let's check what this is right here. 2021. Alright guys, let's check this one out. Let's see what year. 2018. Alright, 2016. Alright guys, coming up on this one now. Let's see what year this one is. It is 2008, man. Wow, yeah, look at that. Whew. It's pretty cool over here. Nice and shady over here. Look at this one right here. What year do you think this one is? 2001. Wow. What year? 2001. Yeah. Look at this one. What about this one, man? Yeah, this is pretty nice. Wow, look at all this. This is a 1994. Wow. This is nice, man. You've definitely seen this in a movie or something before. This is nice, bro. Look at this 2012 Corvette. Ma, check this out. Definitely pause this, you know. But yeah, guys. Ma, check the engine out. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Pretty cool. Ma, what year? Trying to tell her to guess the year. 2012. Let's see what else we can cover. Alright guys, so you see they got like gift baskets in here, all prize raffles and stuff, and you just keep going down. You see people are, you know, shining their cars up. It's pretty cool, man. Shout out Meg O'Malley's over here. And yeah, look at this one right here, man. What year do you think this is? Oh my god, look at this. Let's see. This is a 1965, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. And you come over here, see the Irish pub. People are going in there today. It's packed. People are going into Foxtail at Hotel Melbourne. It's pretty packed, guys. Yeah, it's pretty nice cars. Look at this one. Over here caught my eye. 2015. Look at this 2015, guys. Pretty nice. Wow. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at the replica car. That's pretty funny. Look inside. This is awesome. Look at the trunk for you. You know. Whew. It's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Let's see this one now. What year do you guys think this one is? Let's see. This is a 2015. Pretty nice, man. Look at inside at the seats. Pretty nice. Alright guys, we keep walking. It's filling up. Look at this one, man. 2003 Corvette and a 2005 Corvette. Look at this 2005 Corvette. Wow. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Look at this. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. And then this 2003 Corvette, man. This is the 50th anniversary of the Corvette. Look at this, man. It's pretty cool. Yeah, guys, definitely check them out here in Melbourne, downtown. Pretty awesome today. You know, we got a 1993 Corvette right here. We've been here before, guys, but we got the new camera today. So let's keep going. Alrighty, guys, we keep walking. With that 1993 Corvette, they were just talking, so I didn't want to interrupt them. And yeah, let's keep going, see what we can get. Look at this one right here. Oh wow, what year do you think this is? Let's check it out. I'll tell you. It's let's see, it's 2022, guys. Wow. This is pretty nice, dude. Look at that. Wow, definitely come check this out at the car show today. It's pretty cool, man. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep walking, see what else we can capture. Coming up on this one, guys. Let's see what year do you think this is before we even approach it, guys? Write it in the comments. You know, this is a 1973. Wow, what was going on back then? Yeah, this is awesome. Look at that inside. Pretty cool. Look at this one, guys. A 1999 Corvette. Only one of 19 built. Look at this. Wow. In torch red with white leather seats, 6-speed manual transmission, and selective ride and handling. Look at this. 29,000 original miles. This is crazy. They don't make cars like this no more. It's pretty cool. You know, I love these car shows. We cover gun shows too, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, let's keep going. See, all these shops are open. Pretty cool. And don't forget, every night at 8 p.m. we're going to upload new YouTube shorts of the Corvette show, so definitely watch it, guys. Alright guys, coming up on this one, you know, see what this is. Guess what year this is, guys, if you had to guess. This is a 2010. Alrighty, just so you know. Come over here. Alright. You don't guess what kind this is. This is a 1995, so that's pretty cool. Look at the train over there. Alright, and we came from all the way over there, guys. So there's the 1995. Alright, and we're going to keep going. Look at this one right here, caught my eye. Oh, wow. Let's get that. What year is this? Let's check out the year we got on this right now. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Look at the trunk. It's 2022, guys. Wow. Look at that. It's pretty nice, man. Step back to you guys. Pretty nice. You know, it's pretty chill over here, guys. Cool little vibe. Guys, look at this one right here. 1969 Corvette Stingray. Wow, this is nice, man. Look at those seats. Let's check out this, man. Wow, look at that. So nice. Look at the engine. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Definitely gotta come here. Let me know if you guys been to Faux 192. And look at this one right here. Guess what year this is? 1966, guys. Wow. Look how much room inside. It's crazy. Wow, look at the steering wheel. Nuts. Alright guys, and don't forget, we upload new YouTube shorts every night at 8 p.m. So you're going to probably see all these cars on the shorts because it's just a lot to cover today. But yeah, let's go cover, you know, one or two more. Coming up on this one right here. Let's check this out. What year this is. Check out the engine. Oh wow. 1962, guys. Wow, it's pretty nice. Look at this. Wow. Look inside, dude. Wow, a whole different era, dude. Whole different era. This is crazy. Wow. This is nuts, man. What year do you think this one is? Let's check. Let's see here. Oh wow, inside's nice. Wow. It's 2021, guys. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, let's check out this one. Might be the last one we do today. Let's see. What do you think this is? 1975, guys. Wow. Look at this. This is just something, boy. Look at that. Wow, what do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments, man. Is this the best one we've seen today? Look at his license plate, by Jerks. So cool. What year do you think this is? Look at that, pretty nice. It is a 2016, guys. Wow. Yeah, just so we know. You know, that's really nice. Guys, look at this one, man. I couldn't resist. Wow. What year do you think this is? Look at the car on top too, if you didn't notice. Yeah, it's a 2020, guys. Pretty cool. Just so you know. Pretty nice inside. You know. Just wanted to show you this today. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. Look at this one right here. Wow. So nice, man. Look at the steering wheel, caught my eye. Pretty cool. Wow, I might have covered this on the way down there, but yeah. 1965, bro. Oof.